are amazing, normal, ordinary people.
We are reclaiming the rainbow as a Christian symbol. See our flag here, LMNOP, right there on the flag. Thank you, Wonder Woman. Godly values must be respected, and we stand with those. It's time we started making hard choices about what we will tolerate. Do you want your kids breakfast cereal teaching them to hate their gender? No. Do you want your kid to watch a cartoon that's all about having sexual relations? No. That's why I am calling on you to help defend the family from these vicious lies. We will not tolerate the abuse of our children, and we will protect our family from these villains.
El, the lifestyle, and amazing.